Doing. Line your sight up. Keep that thing level.
Oh, level.
Keep it level. And when you get it where you want it.
How did I hit?
Okay, do it again.
Near the X.
Okay. Do it again. Pretty good.
I hit the X.
Do it again.
Lower again.
Well, you jerked your trigger again.
Oh my Lord.
Level that thing up. Level it up. You got two good ones. Well, you down again.
Oh, down again?
Yeah. Level. Put that red dot on that orange circle. Well, you're down again, but it's okay.
Shit, down again?
Yeah. At least you're on the paper. Put yourself forward. Lean forward just a little bit. Remember, like you're boxing. You're doing good. Do it again.
I cannot hit the X.
Well, you did. You did one time.
Did I hit it? I hit it already.
Well, you hit the. You're in the
front.
7 ring. You're in that 7. Well, now you're in the 8 ring now.
Oh Lord.
Take you back in the 7 ring again. All right, you okay?
No more.
Take your put it back on safe.
Let's see again. Then push the button.
Yep. Push the button. Take your mag out.
Okay.
Try it again. Put your other mag in there.
I get it. Put this one.
All right.
Hit
Make sure
the
you put your button. Make sure you put your button right there.
Down?
Down. Push it down. All right.
Okay.
Okay. When you keep your fingers straight. When you get your pistol on target.
I want the X one.
Well, line your sights up good. Squeeze your trigger. Well, that was dead center right there.
I did!
Okay, do it again. Do it. We'll do whatever you did again.
I'm a sharpshooter than you, honey.
We'll do whatever you did again. But yeah, an 8 ring this time. 8 ring again.
What did I do? I did shoot the X?
Well, you owed 8 ring. You shot it. I don't know where that went. I didn't see it. Maybe 7.
I can see I shoot the X.
Aim it in the center. Aim it in the center and squeeze. Keep that gun level. Keep it level. Hey, you might hit it again. All right, do it again. You get close. All right, put it back on safe.
Oh, safe again.
Yeah.